Most people get this wrong when they download reward apps. They assume if an app is on the Play Store, it is automatically 100% safe. But that is not always the full story. In this video you'll learn whether Mistplay is actually safe in 2026, what data it collects, and whether you should trust it with your personal information. And stay until the end because I'll break down the one detail most users never check, and that's where real safety risks usually come from. Let's get straight into it. First, here's the truth no one tells you. Mistplay is a legitimate reward app that has been used by millions of users worldwide. It is not a scam app designed to steal money directly. Its core purpose is to reward you for playing mobile games. Now here's where it gets interesting. Just because an app is legitimate does not mean it collects zero data. Like most reward apps, Mistplay collects certain information to function properly. For example, it may track your device details, game activity, and usage behavior. This is used to calculate your rewards and improve game recommendations. So if Alex installs the app and plays daily, the system records his gameplay time in progress to assign units correctly. But here's the problem most users don't think about. They ignore privacy policies completely. Then they get surprised when they see data tracking permissions related to usage or device information. Now let's talk about what actually matters for safety. Step 1 is account security. Mistplay uses standard login systems and verification methods. That means your account is protected as long as you use a strong password and do not share login details. Step 2 is data usage. The app collects behavioral data, but this is common for reward-based platforms. It is used for analytics and reward calculation, not for accessing sensitive personal files. Now here's where it gets interesting. The real safety risk does not come from Mistplay itself. It usually comes from fake versions of the app or third-party websites pretending to offer faster rewards. That is where users like John often get into trouble by downloading unofficial copies. Step 3 is permissions. Mistplay may request access to basic device information and usage stats, but it does not require access to your photos, messages, or private files to function. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest rule to stay completely safe while using reward apps like this. The rule is simple. Only download Mistplay from official app stores. Never use modified versions, hacks, or external APK files. Those are the real risk points where malware or scams can happen. So to summarize clearly, Mistplay itself is a legitimate and widely used reward app, but like most apps, it does collect usage data and requires basic permissions to function. The biggest takeaway is this. Mistplay is generally safe to use, but your safety depends more on where you download it from than the app itself. If this helped you understand the risks clearly, make sure to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more honest app breakdowns like this.